I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
So here I have scallion, thyme, chicken broth, peeled pumpkin, chicken noodle, pumpkin flavored noodle that I will be using. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you all for the support, the new ones, the old ones, the day ones. Thank you for your support. In my description box, I will add my ingredients. I'll be doing 3.5 cups basmati rice, and I'll be making for you some pumpkin rice. I used the powder portion of the noodle, strain the noodle off, and I use that because I wanted to add to my pot. Now this has salt and flavor in it, so you know your girl tried to avoid salt. I did not use any salt. I used 2 cups coconut milk, added to this, and I will be using 1 cup chicken broth and a cup of water. So in total, 4 cups of liquid. There I'm showing you. Once my pumpkin is cooked, some of the water will evaporate out. So we all know 4 cups water, which after the pumpkin cook, I think it had maybe 3 cups left in it. I added a little garlic powder and a little hint of black pepper, no salt. You can choose to cut your pumpkin much smaller. I decided to do it like this, and then once it's cooked, you can use a spoon or a fork to get it crushed out, or however you like it. I like mine's like this. So see, with the pumpkin noodle, it has a little color, and the water I added in it was after the pumpkin was cooked. So I used white onions, green onions, which is scallion, thyme. I used a green pepper, and I also used a tablespoon of butter. So at this point, I washed my rice, and I will be adding my rice in the pot. Make sure when you add your rice, you stir the rice so everything is evenly dispersed in your pot. This pumpkin rice tasted just like Jamaican style island grill pumpkin rice. That's my favorite rice in Jamaica. Island grill does a tasty pumpkin rice. Then I added another little piece of thyme in my pot because I wanted to. Once my water was boiled, I lowered my heat and I covered my pot to steam. Here is my rice after 30 minutes, quick and ready. Now for this could have been eaten just as is. I served this with a little lamb chops. Again, I'll give you a second to like the video. Please remember to give your girl a like. This was my Sunday dinner. Thank you for stopping by. It doesn't have to be rice and peas and chicken every Sunday. Change is good. My pumpkin rice tasted so good. Island Grill, I got your secret. See you soon.